If you're getting more and more of your protein from beans, then good for you. A plant-based diet is a really sustainable way to live. But did you know that there's actually a healthier way to get your beans than through cans? Canned beans have all kinds of preservatives in them, and they generate a lot of waste. One way that you can reduce that waste is to start cooking your own beans. You can get beans in packages like this, or you can bring your own bags to the store and fill up wherever you can. Both ways are more sustainable than cans. All you have to do is cook your beans for the week ahead using an Instant Pot or however it is that you like to cook your beans, and then put them into these individual containers in the fridge. They're ready to go for you as soon as you want, and the benefit is you know exactly what's in those beans. They're prepared just the way you like them, and they're ready to go right when you get home or right when you open up that fridge and are looking for a snack. So drop the cans and pick up a can-do attitude and start cooking your own beans today. I'm the Green Tip Guy, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.